HubSpot Operations Hub promises to unify your data, automate complex workflows, and act as the connective tissue across your entire tech stack. But does the architecture actually hold up at enterprise scale? Let's run the teardown. HubSpot Operations Hub targets RevOps and data teams who want native HubSpot workflow automation without stitching together an external iPaaS. The pitch is clean. One platform, one data model, zero middleware. The reality is more complicated. HubSpot's data sync architecture runs on a polling minus-based model, not fully event minus-driven, which introduces latency that purpose minus-built iPaaS platforms typically don't carry. Custom code actions execute in a Node.js or Python sandbox, capped at roughly 128 megabytes memory and a 20-second timeout, which breaks transformation logic touching large payloads or deeply nested objects. HubSpot API rate limits sit around 100 to 190 requests per 10 seconds, depending on your tier, and workflow action throughput compounds that bottleneck at scale. Object association cardinality is another hard wall. The data model constrains complex many-to-many relationships, fracturing B2B structures like multi-stakeholder deal rooms or multi-entity account hierarchies. HubSpot Operations Hub Enterprise lists near $2,000 per month, and that assumes you're already paying for Marketing, Sales, or Service Hub at equivalent tiers. Once you factor in the full HubSpot suite required to unlock enterprise-grade automation, total contract value frequently lands between $3,000 and $5,000 per month for a mid-market team. For that spend, purpose-built iPaaS platforms often deliver deeper connectors, true event-driven triggers, and no sandbox memory sealing. HubSpot Operations Hub is a strong fit if your team lives inside HubSpot and your integration workloads are moderate. Think field mappings, basic sync, and linear workflow automation. But if you're running high-volume, multi-system data pipelines with complex transformation logic, you're paying enterprise pricing for a tool with mid-market architectural limits. Boomi, Workato, and Tray.io are worth evaluating as alternatives. Links to each are in the description below. If this HubSpot Operations Hub review saved you time, subscribe for more enterprise software teardowns and like the video if it helped.